Special Care by Police Chief Inspector Josephine L. Nando.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is such a privilege and a pleasure to introduce our guest of honor and speaker, a man dedicated to helping the poor and alleviating poverty, if not eradicating it. Born in the summer capital of the Philippines on September 29, 1979, our young unsung hero of Hispanic descent, whose roots are in Ilocos Norte and Baguio City, was raised in the United States. He studied at the prestigious MIT, or the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, where he obtained 2 degrees, one in behavioral science and the other in marine engineering, and graduated cum laude in 2001. For 3 years, he was in Asia, particularly Hong Kong, pushing his humanitarian advocacy. In 2004, he returned to the Philippines and set up several foundations dedicated to humanitarian purposes, foremost of which is the Oriental Perennial Foundation Incorporated, which conducts optical missions all over the Philippines, giving optical care to the needy and the destitute. Another advocacy is the Volunteers Against Poverty Foundation, of which he is the chairman, promoting social welfare and also the upliftment of the indigenous citizens of our republic. His vision is the building of a braver, creative, and productive Philippine society based on a culture of excellence that will set us apart from the rest of the world. A leader among peers, the first among equals, and the best of the best. His driven achiever loves to drive cars, relieve stress with practical shooting, and relaxes on the green playing golf. Wanting to serve the country all the way he can, he ran for the Senate but was disqualified for being underage. Surely, when he runs again, he will never forget to vote. We will never forget to vote for him and campaign for his election, since he surely will be a stellar among the senators. Ladies and gentlemen, I am so honored to present to you our highly distinguished guest of honor and speaker, Mr. Francis Teo Antonio Marco.
Maraming salamat dun sa introduction ni Major Nando. Masyadong overwhelming. I don't know how this started. To all the witnesses in here, distinguished guests, my friend, good morning.
Ako ay ex-convict, convicted criminal at scammer.